I'd rather be. And here with you, that's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
Hello and welcome to the Car Street Expo, where we exhibit your favorite luxury cars at affordable prices. All of these cars are brought to you by Car Street India, which is a luxury car dealership located in Narayana Vihar, New Delhi. So let's get started. आज के एपिसोड पे हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं कार स्ट्रीट के नारायण विहार शोरूम के एक टूर पे। हमारे इन्वेंट्री में जितनी भी गाड़ियां हमारे शोरूम पे एट द मोमेंट अवेलेबल हैं, हम आपको हर कार की एक्सटीरियर कंडीशन, इंटीरियर कंडीशन, डिटेल्स एंड स्पेसिफिकेशंस एंड कार स्ट्रीट की आस्किंग प्राइस बताएंगे। दिस इज द 2016 Jaguar XJ-L, which is the long wheelbase variant. This car competes with the Mercedes S-Class and the BMW 7 Series, जिसका मतलब है that this car is a flagship luxury sedan. तो इस गाड़ी में पैक्ड मिलती है हमको वेरी रोबस्ट परफॉर्मेंस एंड अनमैच्ड लग्जरी। दिस कार व्हेन इट वाज ऑन सेल इन 2016, इसकी एक्स शोरूम कीमत रही होगी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1.1 करोड़, which went up to 1.22 to 1.25 crores on road. But this car that has not even driven 9,500 kilometers, has only ever had one single owner, is registered from Uttarakhand. This car is available to you only from Car Street at the price rate of 55 lakh rupees only. And this car, it is in absolutely scratchless, spotless, showroom new condition. अब आते हैं हम हमारे BMW 7 Series पे. Now this is the 2018 BMW 7 Series 730 LD, which is the long wheelbase variant of the normal 7 Series. Just like the XJ-L, this car also comes with a diesel engine. This was registered in 2018. आज तक चली है just 30,000 kilometers. इसका आज तक रहा है only one single owner and it was registered from the state of Himachal Pradesh. Now this car, when it was on sale in 2018, it had a price tag of approximately 1.35 crores on road. But this car that still has 7 years left in its registration, this car is only available to you from Car Street India at 77 lakh rupees only. And given the condition of its interior and the exterior, this car is truly a gem for the pre-owned luxury car market. Let's move on to the next car in our inventory. This is the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, the top model of the C-Class, which is the C200 Avantgarde. This car was registered in the year 2018. It has driven only 9,500 kilometers. It is registered from the state of Maharashtra और इसका आज तक रहा है only one single owner. जब ये गाड़ी 2018 में Mercedes-Benz के द्वारा on sale थी, it had the price tag of approximately 42 lakhs on road. But at Car Street and only at Car Street, we offer this car to you with more than 12 years left in its registration because this has a petrol engine. Only and only at 35 lakh rupees, which is a deal most dealerships would not be able to match. Let's move on to this car. This car is the Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG, which is the performance segment of the C-Class I just showed you. Now this car comes with a lot of sporty elements like this boot spoiler. It comes with sportier alloys with nicer tires, comes with the side skirt, and जैसा कि आपको दिख ही रहा होगा, this car has a lower suspension than the normal C-Class. Now let's talk about this car. This car is amazing in terms of performance. It can reach a top speed of 250 kilometers an hour and it can complete the 0 to 100 kilometers an hour sprint in just 5 seconds. ये गाड़ी registered है 2017 में from the state of West Bengal. It has only been ever owned by only one person. चली है आज तक only and only 7,000 kilometers. जब ये गाड़ी 2017 में on sale थी, this AMG cost approximately 90 lakhs on road. But this car, in a scratchless, spotless condition, almost unused, this is available to you only from Car Street at only and only 55 lakh rupees, which is the best deal you can get on a performance-packed Mercedes-Benz like this one. Moving on to this car. Now this is the Lexus NX 300H, the luxury variant, which was the top model offered with this car. Now this car, it is registered in 2018, comes with a Delhi registration, has driven approximately 40,000 kilometers and has only ever had one single owner. इस गाड़ी में मिलता है हमको 2.5 लीटर petrol engine with an electric motor that has the range of 60 kilometers. So this car is well known for its fuel economy. Now when this car was on sale in 2018, the luxury variant, it cost 72 lakh rupees on road. But this car, which is in scratchless, beautiful condition, it is only available to you from Car Street with 12 years left in its registration for only and only 53 lakh rupees. And all of our prices at our showroom are negotiable. Let's move on to the next car. This is the 2021 BMW X6 xDrive 40i, the M Sport variant. So this car comes with a petrol engine, which means that it has 14 to 15 years left in its registration because it was registered in 2021 from the National Capital Territory of Delhi. This car has only ever had one single owner. This car has an on-road price tag of 1.3 crores approximately from a BMW showroom. But there is a 4 to 5 month waiting period on this car because of the COVID-19 restrictions. So this car is offered to you only and only at Car Street India for a price tag of rupees 1.1 crores, which is a great deal on a car with a condition like this, which is almost showroom new. Let's move on to the next car. This car is the 2017 Mercedes-Benz SLC 43 AMG. Now this car was registered in the year 2017 from the state of West Bengal. ये चली है सिर्फ और सिर्फ 11,500 किलोमीटर और इसका आज तक रहा है only one single owner. This car is one of 3 convertibles available in the stock at Car Street India, including the Audi A3 Cabriolet and the BMW Z4. Now talking about this car, you had an on-road price in 2017 of approximately 90 to 95 lakhs. But this car that has barely driven is only available to you from Car Street India at a price tag of 65 lakh rupees only, and all prices are negotiable. Let us show you some more of our stock. Now we'll show you the stock we have parked outside our showroom. ये है हमारी 2014 Audi A3 Cabriolet 40 TFSI the Premium Plus variant. इस गाड़ी के रहे हैं आज तक 2 owners. ये चली है सिर्फ और सिर्फ 30,000 kilometers and it is registered from the National Capital Territory of Delhi. In 2014, when this car was on sale from Audi, it had the on-road price of approximately 48 lakhs. But this car that is in scratchless new condition with more than about 7 years left in its registration, this car is on offer from Car Street at only and only 35 lakh rupees. Parked in front of it is our Mercedes-Benz CLA 200. Parked in front of it is our Mercedes-Benz CLA 200. This one has a petrol engine, so it has more than 12 years left in its registration. Now this car is registered from the Union Territory of Chandigarh and has not even driven a complete 17,000 kilometers. Yes, that's right. It is only at 16,500 kilometers. Now this car, when it was on sale from Mercedes-Benz in 2018, it had the on-road price of approximately 40 to 42 lakhs. But this car, in a brand new condition, is available for you only at Car Street India for 29 lakh rupees only. Now this car is the 2018 BMW 5 Series, the 520D luxury line. When this car was on sale from BMW in 2018, it had the on-road price approaching almost 70 lakhs. Now this car in front of you, it has driven only 13,000 kilometers, is registered from the Union Territory of Daman and Diu, and has only ever had one single owner. This car is available for you only at Car Street at a price tag of 42 lakh rupees, which of course is negotiable. This is the 2018 Range Rover Discovery Sport, the HSE 7-seater variant, which is a rare sight. Now this car, it was registered from the state of Haryana, is registered in the year 2018, so it still has 7 years left in its registration, and it has driven only 40,000 kilometers with a single owner. When this car was on sale, it had the on-road price of 65 to 70 lakhs. But this car in front of you, it is available for you only from Car Street India at 39 lakh rupees. Now let's talk about the bigger segment of this car, the Range Rover Vogue 3-liter V6 diesel. Now this car was the flagship SUV from Range Rover in the year 2013. So as I said, this car is 2013 registered from the National Capital Territory of Delhi. It has had 2 owners and has driven only 54,000 kilometers. Now this car, when it was on sale in 2013, it had the price tag of approximately 1.6 crores. But this car is available only for you at Car Street India at only 85 lakhs, which is negotiable. So that's all folks. Today we've given you a tour of our showroom. We hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe this video so all of these cars can find their new owners. Thank you so much for watching.